Dentists, chiropractors, and anyone that has a business that books people on the phone, listen to this call, and then I'm going to present you with an offer afterwards. Let's get right into it. Yes, it's an ad. You need to listen to this. You're going to save yourself 60 grand. Watch.
It's a great day at Happy Smiles Los Angeles. How may I assist you today?
Yes, I was wondering if you could tell me a little bit more about the practice.
Absolutely. Happy Smiles Los Angeles specializes in providing top-notch dental care, including general dentistry, cosmetic procedures, and orthodontics. We're committed to ensuring our patients have healthy and beautiful smiles. Is there a specific service you're interested in or any particular questions you have?
Well, I was just wondering if you do veneers.
Yes, we do offer veneers. Veneers are a great option for enhancing the appearance of your teeth. They can help with issues like discoloration, gaps, and minor misalignments. Would you like to schedule a consultation to discuss veneers further?
Well, can you just tell me the steps? I mean, how many actual appointments do I need to do in order to get the veneers? I know there's like an initial consultation, then you check my teeth, see if they're okay. Maybe they need clean, maybe they don't. Can
Sure
you just
thing.
tell me what the process?
Of course. Here's a general overview of the process for getting veneers. 1. Initial consultation. We'll discuss your goals and examine your teeth to ensure veneers are a good fit. 2. Preparation. If needed, we'll clean your teeth and prepare them by removing a small amount of enamel. 3. Impressions. We'll take impressions of your teeth to create custom veneers. 4. Temporary veneers. You might get temporary veneers while waiting for the permanent ones. 5. Final placement. Once ready, we'll bond the permanent veneers to your teeth. Typically, this involves about 3 appointments in total. Does that help?
Yeah, that helps. Can you do breast implants?
We specialize in dental care, so we don't offer breast implants. If you need a recommendation for a plastic surgeon, I can help with that. Is there anything else related to dental services you'd like to know?
Can you recommend me a plastic surgeon in the area?
I'm afraid I don't have specific recommendations for plastic surgeons. However, I suggest checking online reviews or asking your primary care physician for a referral. Is there anything else I can assist you with regarding dental services?
Yeah, you want to take my information so I can get an appointment scheduled?
Sure thing. Are you looking to schedule an appointment? If so, I can help with that. Could you please provide your first and last name and your email address?
Yeah, it's Ben. Last name is Boyce, Boyce, and my email address is info@highvelocitymedia.com.
Thanks, Ben. Just to confirm, is the phone number you're calling from the best one to reach you at?
What phone number do you have?
I don't have your phone number on file. Could you please provide it for me?
Yeah, it's 213-500-8248.
Got it, Ben. Let's find a time for your initial consultation. Does Thursday, August 15th at either 2:30 p.m., 5:30 p.m., or 8:30 p.m. work for you?
Let's do the 5:30 one.
Great choice. I'll book your appointment for Thursday, August 15th at 5:30 p.m. One moment while I confirm that for you. Booking your appointment for Thursday, August 15th at 5:30 p.m. Please wait a moment while I book your meeting. Your appointment is confirmed for Thursday, August 15th at 5:30 p.m. If you need to reschedule, please use the link in your email. Anything else I can help with?
Can you tell me the names of the doctors that are there, or the dentists? It seems like you got a lot of them. Then what do they specialize in? I kind of wanted a woman to work on my teeth. Is that possible?
I don't have specific details about the individual dentists or their specializations. However, I can assure you that all our dentists are highly qualified and experienced. If you prefer a female dentist, I can make a note of that preference for your appointment. Would that work for you?
Yeah, thanks. That's great.
You're welcome, Ben. I've noted your preference for a female dentist. If you have any other questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask. Have a great day.
Okay, so as you can see, our intelligent AI has actually been fed website data. This is all the AI knows, is everything from the website. We haven't yet got the standard operating procedures from the business or anything, but those can be added to our AI's knowledge base. And then that AI will operate from within that knowledge base that we've set up with all your standard operating procedures for your business. And it will book all your appointments. It will call back the people that missed appointments. When people email you, it will automatically answer. And if it detects something that it can't answer, then it's going to set a trigger to contact someone in your company, whoever that person is, that's then going to go in and solve the problem. So this is going to be your same receptionist. She doesn't get fired anymore. She just gets to scroll more on TikTok. And then whenever a problem does arise, she's able to fix it. Now, with HIPAA compliance, we do like to only handle new patient inquiries. So after the person calls, and if it has nothing to do with a new patient inquiry, we automatically have triggers to transfer the call or route the email to a non-AI assistant, so that way it can deal with it. If you do want HIPAA compliance, it just costs a little bit more money and it takes a little bit more time to implement because there are more rules involved. But if you're interested in hearing about this service or one of the many others that we can implement with AI, go ahead and click the link below to schedule a free call. And we'll even send you some information while you're waiting. You'll probably be able to just start implementing this yourself. And if you just want to learn how to do this and our price is too high for you, we also have a solution for that. So that way you can go to the same website that we go to in order to set this up. And we're going to walk you through step by step. Why are we going to do this? Well, we're going to give you a link and hope you click it. That's our affiliate link, and we earn a small commission whenever you click that link, and we're able to earn a commission off of your bill. So we want you to succeed. We want you to succeed with this software, and we think that it's better for us to implement it. You just want to do the work that you're going to do. Now, you're going to have to let somebody go, and that's the sad part. And we don't want that, but that's not our problem. So go ahead and click the link, and I'll see you in the next call. So go ahead and click the link, and I will see you on the call.